Alright, how's everybody doing?
In 400 feet.
Okay, yeah. So we got some vehicles outside the gate. I'm gonna have to create space, you guys. So give me a minute. I've been deleting. It still says I only have 5 minutes of video time. So not cool. Let's see if they got any different cars. Let's see. A bunch of cars are missing. The Mini Coupe was here last time. All right, you guys, let me delete some stuff. I'll come back or get my SD card in there. I gotta find a little pin to push the slot card out. Or all right, you guys, so I guess the SD card will start taking off. I just put it in, but they still got these, but I don't think these were for sale last time. And then they got a van over there. I'm scared to get out because my boots gonna get muddy. And that Lincoln wasn't for sale. Quiet, silencio. Jeep got a flat tire. Ooh. Let's take a look at the van, work van, you guys. I don't know, the door is kind of messed up on it. Or is it just a jar? I don't know. We'll just keep looking. Okay, so. Oh, they got a box truck. Is that for sale? Or they just. Ooh, wait a minute. Ooh, they got a classic little old Mustang right there. Little Mustang convertible. Hold on. All right, you guys, it's super muddy out here. I did not want to get out. Look at this. I said, how did I go over here? But he won't speak, asshole. Oh my God, you guys, this looks pretty like they tried to clean the tires, but it's pretty banged up. It's an older car. It looks like this might be like an 86. Oh, you know what? Let me tell y'all a story. So my husband had almost the same year as this one, but his was way nicer. His dad had built it up. Oh, I was right. Yep, 86. See, I know my Mustangs. I know my years of my cars. But he had the big scoop on the center hood of his, and it was stolen. We were never able to get it back. His was way nicer than this one. Like, I'm talking beyond super badass. So, somebody stole his, and the title was in a glove box, so they forged the title, and obviously was never able to recover the car. We never found it or any of that. But cloth interior. This is an automatic, but I like it though. It's a little rough in the back with the paint, but that can be fixed. But yeah, I'm really loving it. I could really drive this 86 Mustang. It's not the GT, but it still looks good. It's single exhaust. Definitely gonna have to straight pipe this double dual exhaust. It's like some scratches and stuff right there peeling, but you can fix that. So, but the thing you definitely want to check on these is make sure the top is nice and dry and all that. No holes in the top. So this may have been redone. If not, it's probably kept indoors majority of his life. But you want to make sure there's no holes and all of that, like the top is good and all that, which it appears to be nice and dry and all of that. Are those scorpion or those are ponies? I can't tell. I have to get in close. I'm trying to bend over and all that. But this thing looks magnificent. It looks pretty daggone good. He over to try and get it in the car. I guess he liked some keys in there. This thing looks good. This would be definitely something I'm interested in bidding on. I don't know if this is going up for auction. A little cracks and a little dry. Right on the rubber a little bit, but nothing that bad. Dang, this thing looks good. What do y'all think about it? Get a picture of the front. I didn't get the front. All the tires and stuff match. Tires look to be in pretty good condition. Yeah, that thing looks good. The thing I like about these is the double lights on each side, you guys. So the Malibu is still here. When you watch where I'm walking, I will be devastated if I step in some muddy water. It's pretty quiet out here today. All right, let's go to the next one. I believe he was flying over there with a Challenger. It doesn't appear to be a Hellcat. It looks stock, regular. 𝕱𝕬𝕦 Challenger. Doubt there'd be a Hellcat at this one. Alright, so we got a 2002 Chevy 1500 right here. New front end kit. Red parts on seat. New plugs, wires. I can't say this something. I can't really tell what that say. New engine switch. New trans lines. Fairly new tires. All parts less than 50 miles. They had the vehicles locked. Let's zoom out, you guys. Over here. Must be a Mustang kind of day today. I've been seeing Mustangs. Classic and new. They got, I guess they had lights up there. That looks kind of crazy. Pretty tacky. I guess you gotta ask for keys and stuff over here, but I ain't gonna go do all that. But this one has a crack right here on the paint. Nothing too serious. I don't know what they did right there. Some electrical stuff going on. I guess that's maybe the trailer wires. It's just missing the part. Engine and transmission good on the miles. We got a Ford Escape. That's why I like the other auction better, because you can go up and look inside. You can open the doors. Yeah, it's 2008 Chrysler Town and Country. Oh, they either painted the wheels black. I don't know if you guys can see that. Or they, no, they couldn't have came like that. I think they painted them. What's up with the Mopar? That does not go on there. The Mopar still did not come on that. They put that on there. 100% engine and transmission, good miles. So, got a Malibu. And this is the same cars we seen last time. Unfortunately, there's not really much out here to look at. I don't like the old Malibus like these ones. Oh, heck no. We're going to walk back the other way, you guys, because it is too muddy. Got to get my boots dirty. I'm going to cry. They don't really have much out here right now. Let me see. I think I see a BMW. The one I want appears to be the 750. Ooh, we're gonna go check it out. It got, no, that's not what I'm talking about. We're gonna look at it. Yeah, I still want a 750, you guys. No matter the year, I still want one. The 750, I don't care how old it gets. It has to be this model. No, this is a 745. I was about to say it's either 750, 745. These models, these ones had the same body style, but you know, I would take the 745 too, but I like the 750. Like, that's my dream BMW. I just love how big it is, and you know, the gear, the turn knob, and it just looks so sleek to me. Like, I don't care how old it gets. I get one, I would forever drive it till it breaks down. Why, they got a tow cable right there? They must have poured this in here. Hood's up a little bit. This light looks like it's been changed apparently after this one. Somebody out here smoking, probably eyeballing me. This light a little foggy. No, it looks like it was drove here. This one got some scrapes and stuff. All that. These cars are way too close together. Tinted windows. It's got the gray interior. See the knob? I would take the 745 too. You got the sunroof. So the 745, I could do the 745 too. But I just love this body style. This one's obviously been sitting. You can see all the stuff right here. So not sure if it's running drive. The emblem would need to be replaced. It's faded. You got some scratches and fading on the trunk, but I'll still buy it. That would be something to me that I would keep. Wouldn't be something I'd flip. I just love this particular body style in this car. This has always been like my dream BMW. Even if it's older, that's what I want. Ooh, I gotta walk like a thick thighs. Well, I do got thick thighs, but they got a Hyundai. They got Mazda Tribute, Mazda 6. Let's take a look at this. Gotta go to potty. this video we're gonna add on to, because I gotta get up out of here. I gotta go to the bathroom, you guys. So, but they don't really have anything, you know, really too significant. We got a Mazda tribute. I mean, not tribute. The Mazda tribute. I mean, the daggone, yeah, Mazda tribute is right here. We got two Mazda, but Mazda 6. Getting them mixed up. Mazda 6. Ooh, I'm trying to see. It's too muddy out here for me today. So we got the Mazda 6. Got an old Ford Taurus right there. See, they got some tires right there. We got the Tribute. The little, what is this? The Elantra or Sonata. Ooh, what's up with all the bugs right there? Eat now, honey. This was a flood. So they don't even know the miles on that thing. Yeah, that's the Sonata. All right, you guys, I'm gonna get up out of here. We'll continue this video with more cars, but it is just too muddy out here. And I got a tinkle, you guys. I know y'all don't want to hear all that, but I do. So we're gonna do a little drive down this area. We're gonna drive down here a little bit and see what else is going on. Y'all, they got a pickup truck over here. We'll take a look at. They got the F-150. Ooh. Hold on, let's take a look at the back. Something is just eating that thing up. Eating it up. At the back, my pants is coming down. It is a 2006. We're not sure the miles. You would have to do some fixing on the back of that there, but I think this was here last time, you guys. So yeah, 2006. Then they got some stuff outside the gate, like over there. They got a expedition up that way. I don't know if you guys can see it. They will peek at the ones out there. Yeah, they got some stuff over there, you guys. So let me see. Oh, let me get out the way. So they got like a Trailblazer and all of that stuff over there. I thought I saw a Cobalt. And then they got Xterra and all that stuff down there. Maybe we'll go down there. We'll drive by. They got an Xterra right here. Right there. Oh, I didn't realize we can come in here, but I ain't gonna go all the way down here because you guys see the road. It's pretty tore up. So they got an Expedition and all of that stuff right there, and got a pickup truck there. So we're gonna turn around because I'm not trying to be all up in that little potholes and all that stuff. Tear everything up. All right, so we're gonna back up. We're gonna see what they got right here. I know I seen a little Cobalt. That truck is just rusted out. They put all their little stickers on there, like people putting on their laptop and stuff. The Suzuki's rusted out. We got a Trailblazer. We got a Journey right here. Yeah, we got the little Cobalt. We'll look at the Cobalt. It's dry. See, I can do over here because it's dry. No mud for me to walk in. I'm just walking in the car. This is not the SS or anything special. It's just the LT Cobalt right here. Automatic. Hope you guys can see inside. They got the sunroof. That needs 4 tires. Runs out 100%, or runs out 100% drive anywhere on them. I think they meant runs 100%. Got the Cobalt. the Journey. It's a 09 Journey. So oh, I got a Jones on my bones for you. Mom's life. Or I said mom's life. Mom life. Yeah. Right there with you. Oh, I got a Jones on my bones for you. There ain't a thing that I won't do. Okay, so what else do we got? A Honda. Is that a CRV right here? No. Yeah, CRV. The CRV 4x4, 4 new tires. I don't like the CRVs. I mean, I just don't. They just not for me. So basic-y, you know. Yeah. We got the 𝐸 right here. Got the sunroof. So we got to check out a few more cars here. You guys, it's a 2008. So if you guys are watching, I'm thinking maybe these are people who won these ones. I see like a number. And I might just be no, because I got that on there. The number right there. Then you got a Maxima. So you guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do me a favor, go ahead and do that. Hit the subscribe button. I don't know what's up with the speakers, the holes in the speakers like that. Got the leather seats in the Maxima. Sunroof, yes. Got the screen, a little wood grain down there. This is a 2006. Not sure on the miles, but I like the Maximas too, like the Ultimas. We got a little Liberty right there. I'm guessing maybe these are going up. So, I'm sure. This has got the miles. 181,000 miles on it. Okay. So, y'all like the Maxima? Let me know in the comments. And you got the 𝐸 TL. We just saw that. Did we look at the miles? What the hell's that noise? Okay, some weird noise coming from over there. Did we say what this was? We already looked at it, but I wanted to know the miles. But I don't know. I'm thinking maybe these cars are one. That's why they're outside the gate, so people can access these cars easier. Because when they close it.